What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike. I am a full-time media reseller. I sell on Amazon and eBay. This is my little Bluetooth scanner. I'm trying to scan you through the screen right now to see how much you're worth, right? Phone app Scoutly tells you whether or not you're buying it. We're outside of Matthew 25 here today, one of my better thrift stores. I don't come here as often as I used to because they don't turn over inventory that fast. Today's topic is going to be, it seems like restock limits kind of, are just Amazon's letting us kind of be free birds this year. Why it irritates me and why I'm happy for you all. We will cover that after we are done inside of the thrift store. It is packed here, right? So it's on like a main street full of boutiques. I'm parked like 10 miles down the road around the block. I mean, it's insane. So we'll see what we can get out of here. If you're interested in being around like-minded media sellers, there ain't no better group, no better anything out there. Join the YouTube channel, $2.99, weekly coaching calls, Discords with hundreds of members, all levels, all walks of life, all levels of business, full-time, part-time, you name it. I'm shutting up. Let's go. We are back from Matthew 25. It was, it wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. It's one of those trips where you're like, well, at least I got something, right? I got a few things. I completed the trifecta, DVDs, books, CDs. I'm going to show you the best one of each, right? The best CD, the best book, the best DVD we got. So let's just jump into it here. I don't know what order I got these in. First up, we have a CD. Anthony Warlow. No idea. Midnight Dreaming. No idea who this person is. Sales score at 10. No merchant fulfilled offers here, right? So you see here, it hasn't sold in a while. If you look at the rank on the screen, it's right around 200K. Super high for CDs, right? 200K is very high for CDs. But if you have the risk tolerance, there's really no harm you can do. The CDs were 50 cents, so we're into this for 50 cents. I will merchant for, I don't know. I'm going to FBA this. There's no FBA offers. I'll be the only FBA offer. I'll price it at, we'll say $19.99. I'll make around 10 bucks after buy cost on this. So don't be scared to merchant, or I keep saying merchant because this thing's blue, right? It's throwing me off. Don't be scared to FBA longer tail items, especially if you're the only FBA offer. It'll give you a way to make a little bit more money and kind of take it out of your house or your storage unit. So this is going FBA for $19.99. We'll make 10 bucks. The best book, we have Michael Cohen, Revenge. Something related to Donald Trump. Donald Trump's one of those things that's super hot right now. If you see it, scan it, because you'd be surprised at how much some of this stuff goes for. We look at this live here. Sales score 102. It sells all the time. Used FBA $24.50. Somebody's selling it new for $22. It's not Amazon either, so that'll be gone by the time it gets here. this is a good example. You get something that sells this fast, I don't want you pricing this at $24.49. These offers will be gone by then, right? So get a little bit greedier. Go up to the $26.99. Try to get a little bit more money out of it. Either way, we paid $1 for it. We'll probably make close to $11, $12 after fees on that. Last up, we have my DVD, which was not Keanu Reeves. It was Blue Note New York. Hiromi Solo live at any kind of live concert DVDs, always scan those. There's so much money in this stuff, it's ridiculous. 9 sales score yet again. Amazon's on the listing here for $18.99. So you see the 2 used FBA offers. Someone's at $19.99. Never going to sell. Used buy box is going to the $18.04. I'd probably price this $18.03, undercut that, get the buy box, get the sale when it comes. DVDs, I think we're $1. We'll make right around $8.50 and some change when this sells Amazon FBA. You could merchant fulfill this, right, and get a little bit more for your money. But since Q4 is here, I would just FBA this item. It'll most likely sell during Q4, and then you really don't got to worry about it. So, on the topic of restock limits, I'm excited for every single person out there that sells on Amazon. I will start out by saying that I'm excited for you all to be able to continually send items in, right? We're watching this video in October. Last year, the doors closed at the beginning of September. Don't just think that this is just how it normally is, especially if this is your first year. Last year, we all got screwed so hard, so early. So I'm kind of like, I'm happy for everybody to have the chance to continue to send in items for an extra 2 months. But I'd be lying if I said I wasn't salty about the fact that I got screwed so bad last year, and now it's kind of just like all you newbies out there, you all get to send in your stuff and continually make money throughout Q4. I'm taking full advantage of it, right? I'm pedal to the metal until the doors close. I mean, that's how you have to be in this business, especially if they're going to let you send things in up to basically a month and a half before the holiday season. Take advantage of this opportunity if you sell on Amazon. This type of stuff, you know, the 9 sales score that we just looked at, send it in. Get rid of it. Get it out there. And listen, if it doesn't sell in the next 6 months, liquidate it. It's never going to sell. That's kind of my mindset. So now's the time to take advantage of Amazon's platform. Take advantage of the fact that, you know, they're giving us an extra 2 months compared to last year to continue to send stuff in. It's a blessing, you know. It's as cheesy as it sounds. Like last year, I couldn't send anything FBA from September to March. We're already well beyond that, right? I'm recording this video at the end of September. So this time last year, I was merchant fulfilling everything. My shelves were full. All my triggers were set to FBM. This year, they already confirmed the capacity limits for October. Send it in, fill it up, and then if the door closes, you can decide to continue to send stuff in, or you can decide to work on something else and let your FBA sell through. You still get paid every 2 weeks. It's crazy. I'm honestly shocked that they didn't close these doors, but to the benefit of me and you, let's send stuff in, right? Let's take advantage of this. If they want us to send things in, and we kind of talked about it on the members call, how do they get to the point of last year to this year? Well, it's because they changed the way they calculated restock limits. It used to be unit based. You could only send in X amount of units. Well, now it's square foot based. So what this allows Amazon to do is say, okay, we have X amount of square feet available at the warehouse. So let's divide this amongst the sellers so they know exactly how much space they have in real time available for sellers to send items in. Last year, it was just quantity based. Whether you're sending 100 little books or you're sending 100 huge, you know, standard size items, the biggest size, standard size items you could. That allowed them not to really make adjustments on the fly and kind of, I think, close the gates a lot earlier than they needed to. But with this new system, hey, I'm all for it. If it's like this every single year, then I mean, whew, run it up. That's what I tell everybody. Take advantage of this opportunity we have to resell. Take advantage of these small perks that come once every 25 years on these platforms, where we can continually send items in. We don't have the FBM yet, so that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of these book videos. Bye-bye!